Here is a brutal truth. It's not about just how much money you make, it's about how you think about money. The difference between people who stay broke and those who build real wealth isn't always opportunity. It's not education. It's not even talent. It's mindset. And rich people, the truly wealthy, they think in ways most people never even consider. This video isn't about envy. It's not about luxury cars or designer brands. It's about mental shifts that can change lives. If you can change how you think, you can change what you attract. So let's deep dive into the psychology of wealth and unlock the biggest mental differences between rich and poor and how you can rewire your brain to think like the rich. Part 1, Scarcity versus Abundance, the root mindset. Poor thinking is rooted in scarcity. There is never enough. Rich thinking is rooted in abundance. There is always a way. Scarcity makes you hoard, panic, and cling to every dollar. Abundance allows you to invest, create, and risk strategically. Here is the secret. Abundance doesn't come after wealth, it precedes it. If you believe that value can be created, that opportunities can be found, and that money can flow, you act accordingly. And those actions compound. Part 2, Time versus Money, how the wealthy leverage wealth. Most people trade time for money. Rich people trade money for time. They delegate, they hire help, they automate, they understand that their time is the most valuable currency. They ask, what can I outsource so I can focus on my highest value task? If you are stuck doing everything yourself, your income will always be capped. Start thinking in terms of leverage. Part 3, Long-term versus short-term thinking. The poor often think in terms of survival. The rich think in terms of strategy. Short term, how do I pay rent this month? Long term, how do I never worry about rent again? Rich people are willing to delay gratification. They will skip a vacation today to build an asset that pays them forever. Train your brain to zoom out. Think in years, not pay periods. Part 4, Assets versus Liabilities, Understanding Value. Rich people buy assets. Poor people buy liabilities that look like assets. A fancy car, liability. It takes some money from you. A rental property that cash flows, asset. It puts money in your pocket. Even small moves matter. A used laptop to start a side hustle, asset. A brand new phone on a 3-year contract, liability. Learn to ask, will this make me money or cost me money? Part 5, Identity, who you believe you are. Most people subconsciously believe they are bad with money. Rich people believe, I am wealth builder. This isn't arrogance, it's identity. If you believe you are the kind of person who saves, invests, and grows wealth, your actions start to reflect that. Change your self-concept and your behavior will follow. Part 6, Failure and Risk, different definitions. To most people, failure is something to avoid. To wealthy minds, failure is a feedback. They know every successful person has failed repeatedly. They expect setbacks, but they don't quit. They learn, pivot, and level up. The rich don't avoid risk, they manage it. They ask, what's the downside? What's the potential upside? Can I recover if it fails? This mindset turns fear into fuel. Part 7, Income Streams. One is never enough. Poor thinking, I need a high-paying job. Rich thinking, I need multiple income streams. The wealthy understand the fragility of single source income. They build side businesses, investments, royalties, or product-based revenue. Even if your job pays well, ask yourself, what happens if it disappears? Diversify. 1 income stream is survival, 3 is security, 5 or more is wealth. Part 8, Money as a tool, not a goal. Most people chase money for status. The rich use money as a tool. It builds freedom, it buys time, it creates options. They don't worship money, but they respect it. They treat it like a seed that, when planted wisely, grows into a forest of freedom. Shift your mindset from chasing money to using money. Final words, think different, live different. You don't need to be born into wealth to build it. You just need to change how you think, because money follows mindset. It's not luck, it's not magic, it's about beliefs, patterns, and habits repeated over time. So today, begin training your brain to think like the rich. Ask better questions, delay gratification, build assets, respect your time, diversify your income. And most of all, believe that you are capable of wealth, because once you do, the world starts to respond. Think different, live different. Your future wealth starts now.